bear in life. I bid my love adieu. A ship is a steward and a cook me boys on board the Kangaroo. And I never thought you would prove false, or either prove untrue, as we sailed away through Milford Bay on board the Kangaroo. Think of me, oh think of me, she mourned the lead and say, when you are in a foreign land and I am far away. Take this lucky threepenny bit, it will make you bear in mind the love and trust and faithful heart you will left in tears behind. Cheer up, me own true love, the weeps so bitterly. She sobbed, she sighed, she choked, she cried, and she could not say goodbye. I won't be gone for very long, just but a month or two, and when I will return again, of course I'll visit you. Well, I never thought you would prove false, or either prove untrue, as we sailed away through Milford Bay on board the Kangaroo. Our ship it was homeward bound, from many's a foreign shore, and many's a foreign present unto me love adore. I brought tortoises from Tenerife, toys from Timbuktu, a China rat and a Bengal cat and a Bombay cockatoo. Made up I sought her dwelling on the street above the town, where an ancient dame upon the line was hanging out her gown. Where is me love? She's vanished, sir, at least 6 months ago. And the smart young man who drives the van for her chaplain's son to go. But I never thought she would prove false, or either prove untrue, as he sailed away through Milford Bay on board the Kangaroo. I had to dreams of married life, soft and swords of blue, heart's true love and hate and starch and wash and soda too. I'll go on to some foreign shore, no longer can I stay. I want some China hot and tosh, I'll throw me life away. Well, me love, she is no foolish girl, her age it is to score. Me love, she is no spinster, she's been married twice before. I cannot say it was her wealth, me heart it drew astray. She's a washer in a laundry for her 1 night a day. But I never thought she would prove false, or either prove untrue, as we sailed away through Milford Bay on board the Kangaroo. No, I never thought she would prove false, or either prove untrue,